The most profitable trending dropshipping product categories. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to start a business online. It's cheaper and faster than traditional e-commerce, and you don't need any stock or storage space. It's all done by your supplier. But there are some downsides. Your customers may not trust you yet if they haven't heard of you before, especially if they are buying something expensive like electronics or even clothing items, for example. This means it takes time to build a reputation through user-generated content like online reviews and unboxing videos on social media. Luckily, you can use powerful integrations to bridge your dropshipping suppliers with your online WooCommerce platform and zero accounting tools. Now let's discuss some of the most profitable product categories available right now. Let's get to know about dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where the retailer doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the retailer purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The most profitable dropshipping products are often trending items that sell quickly and can be easily sold at a profit to customers who want them. We will explore some of those most profitable trending dropship product categories. Many people ask, can I really make money with dropshipping? The answer is yes, you can make money with dropshipping. The most crucial factor is the product that you sell and the supplier that you partner with. You must find a niche where there are lots of customers who are willing to spend money on your products. As long as you have a good product and a good supplier, then it will be easy for you to make money through dropshipping. Now let's talk about the most profitable dropshipping product categories. Number 1 is eco-friendly products. Shipping eco-friendly and organic products is a trend that's here to stay. With growing concerns about the health of the environment, people have become more conscious of what they purchase and how it is made. For this reason, organic food and household items are growing in popularity. You want to make sure your supplier has high-quality standards. This avoids issues with returns because customers think your product isn't up to par when in fact, it's just inferior materials being used by suppliers who aren't following strict guidelines. The goal is to leverage current social trends for eco-friendly products without risking faulty manufacturing or sourcing. Examples are clothing made from recycled materials, all-natural baby products, reusable and customizable shopping bags, travel utensils and reusable straws, and eco-friendly technology. Number 2 is plants and gardening. The global pandemic sent many at-home users back to hobbies. One of the more popular of these hobbies included growing indoor plant gardens that didn't require a lot of sunlight. This trend quickly spread to sourcing food free from GMOs and other mass-produced influences. That has led to consumers seeking all kinds of seeds, equipment, and tools to support growing vegetable and fruit gardens in their side and backyards. Examples are anti-leak tape for hydroponics, anti-mosquito bracelets for working outdoors, unique flower pots and arrangements, seeds, solar-powered feeders, watering tools, and lights. Number 3 is home and office. Home and office products are always in demand, making them a perfect choice for dropshipping. Again, the recent change in work models to hybrid and remote spaces has shifted how we view the home office area. People want bespoke solutions to a comfortable and productive space in their homes, apartments, or shared buildings. You'll find a vibrant market of interested users in solutions to keep their space looking amazing while not worrying about kids, pets, or outside influences. Examples are writing and printing tools, storage and space-saving support, shipping and personalized stamps, customized notebooks and planners, standing desks, accessories, and chair comfort. Number 4 is yoga and wellness. People are putting more emphasis on their health and wellness. Yoga and mindfulness are becoming more popular than ever, as many people are looking for ways to relax and calm down. Yoga is also a great way to exercise your body and relax your mind at the same time. Yoga products have been trending over the past few years, with many people buying yoga mats, yoga clothes, yoga ball chairs, and other accessories like these online. These products sell well because they are easy to ship due to their lightweight and easy to personalize with custom graphics. Examples are yoga clothing and gear, yoga mats and free weights, custom yoga mat carriers, yoga-inspired office equipment, water flask customized carriers in yoga style. Number 5 is pet supplies. The pet supplies product category is one of the most profitable to dropship. This is because people are willing to pay a premium for products that their pets need. Pet supplies are also in demand year-round, meaning you will always have customers looking to buy from you. People love their pets and treat them like family. That means they want to accessorize and improve their quality of life just as much as a child or aging parent. Examples are Novelty Pet Beds, pet clothing, coats, and accessories, pet travel bags, pet grooming tools, pet litter mats and tools. Number 6 is cooking and baking. Cooking and baking are, in fact, one of the most popular hobbies in the world, and they are a great way to make money. If you're a cook yourself, it's easy to see why. It can be very rewarding to create delicious food that people really like, and there's also something about cooking that brings people together. You can spend hours cooking for your friends or family, who will appreciate all your hard work. Examples are ingredient packs for quick baking, custom cookbooks, pots, pans, and accessories, holiday-themed cookie cutters, aprons, gloves, and mitts customized with graphics. You can build a solid dropshipping platform with WooCommerce Zero plugin integration. Dropshipping is a great way to start an e-commerce business. You don't need to buy any inventory, and you can create a dropshipping business with a small investment. There are many different dropshipping product categories, so it's essential to find out which ones are trending right now. Part of this equation is getting all of your back-end details running automatically and smoothly. This means having your supplier immediately notified, your WooCommerce platform updated, and your zero accounting records maintained. An excellent tool that will ensure your WooCommerce platform and zero accounting tools are communicated is the WooCommerce Zero Integration plugin. This saves you a ton of time trying to manually enter the details of your massive quantity of orders. You will be able to generate cleaner reports about saving money and improving e-commerce efficiency by having all of your financial information easily traceable. Until next time, stay secure and keep growing your dropshipping business. And make sure you never miss a video by subscribing and hitting the bell icon.